Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am psychologist Mashika Sethi and you are tuned into Leap Over Life. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, do follow me. I'll be giving my Instagram link in the description box below. I have a surprise waiting for you all, but I'll be telling that at the end of this video. So till then, stay tuned. So I have been getting these questions a lot, that what should we do when we are alone at home or when we are home quarantined, like they are bored of using their phones, watching series or watching movies and etc. So here are the tips what you can do while you are at home alone. So I'll be categorizing the answers to this question age wise, so that all of you can get the answers or the tips what you can do when you are home alone. So I am starting with the younger generation. This is the best time ever you'll get to know about your ancestral history. You can know all about your family, like their origin, from where did your grandfather came, and all those stories that your grandfather or grandmother have in store for you all. Like I heard the stories of my grandfather fighting in the army for our freedom, like freedom fighter. He was one of the freedom fighters. So this is the best time you can ever get to learn all the stories and enjoy them. Or else this is the best time you can learn a new thing, like learn a new hobby, learn a new skill, or learn a new language. There are so many courses online available for you all. You can learn different things from wherever you want. You can attend the webinars, and this is the best time that you can build up your resume. Like attend some webinars, attend some online conferences, international conferences, national conferences, or learn new skill. Add up a new skill to build up your resume. Now let's get to the older generation. What you all can do. Like you all can also learn a new language or learn a new skill, but you can't build up your resume now because now it's a high time. So now let's move on. What you all can do. You all can read the novel that you have been putting aside from like a long time because of your work, your family or anything. But try reading a new novel, or else an old novel that is like your favorite, a classic one, like The Godfather and many more. If you want any suggestions regarding the novel, contact my sister. She's very good at them. Okay. So let's move on. What else you can do? Like you can connect to the long lost family. The long lost family that you might be avoiding or that you might not be getting time to get in contact with them. Now is the time. Contact them. Put your emotions aside. Patch up things with the family and everything. And the most interesting thing that you can do is go down the memory lane. Like you must be having photo albums, photographs, videos of your childhood or your daughter's or your son's childhood. Go down that lane. It is like really wonderful journey. I myself, I remember each in a small description about like some important events that are like very connected to me. So I feel a joy inside me. I feel very cheerful while discussing them or while telling them, while talking about them with my family. So I hope you'll also like that. So go down that memory lane, watch, see those photographs, watch that video, share it with your family on like social networking sites. Now connecting with your family is so easy right now. So these are some few tips that you could apply on yourself while you are home alone. And I would request my audience to suggest some of the activities besides these so that they could help the people who are home alone. So now it's time for the surprise, right? See, Leap Our Life is organizing a webinar on a very crucial topic, and the topic is psychology, need of the hour. So pre-registrations will be closing on this Sunday, and if you register before Sunday, you will get a 50% discount. But it will be like over on Sunday. So what is the surprise for you all? See, you can also avail a 50% discount, but you have to do a very small thing for that. You need to ask 5 of your friends to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And you yourself should do the same also, right? Take the screenshot of those 5 people and send it to us. We'll be giving the contact details at the end of the video so that you could register yourself for the webinar and you can avail the 50% off. So till then, you start yourself, prepare yourself for the home alone thing, and don't forget to register yourself for the webinar. I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay tuned.